Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Lenovo Legion 5i gaming laptop. So it is basically a gaming laptop from Lenovo that have a Core i7 and 14700 HX 15 display and 2.5K WXXGA with a 16 GB memory and 1 TB storage. So they do have a 3 months of PC Game Pass as well. So it costs around $1,600. Let's dive in and find out, is it actually worth it to spend that amount of money to buy this laptop. As you can see, they have a GPU model of Core i7 and they have a RAM memory of 16 GB, which is actually impressive, and they have a CPU speed of 1.5 GHz with the SSD installed on it. So the model name is like Legion 5i, and if you dive in, I found out the reviews. They have a really good star rating on their official side, like 4.7 based on 100 plus bought in the last month. So this is a major green signal. Apart from that, this is also available on their official store, obviously. So you can see like they have a 4.7 rating based on 33 reviews, and it costs around 2,500 on their official website based on the memory and other features. As you can see in this feature, you can see the 1 TB SSD, and the display is like 5 megapixel camera with dual microphone. So in conclusion, I would say there are many good reviews on Reddit as well, and we have gone through the reviews of Amazon and their official website. The people are actually praising this laptop as it is really good one and the fastest one they have bought so far. So I would say in conclusion, you can buy this laptop if you want to use it for gaming purpose. It is perfectly built for that. The only downside is its charger is a little bit bulky and larger inside, so if you're traveling, it might not be suitable for you. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.